Hey, my name is Shazil Ayub, and today's topic is one that can help you turn your passion into profit: affiliate marketing. Whether you're new to the concept, stick around because I'm going to share some valuable insights that you won't want to miss. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you, the affiliate, earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. The company gets more sales, and you get a slice of the profit. To get started, you first need to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This could be anything from fitness and health to technology or fashion. Next, sign up for an affiliate program. Some popular networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services you can promote. Now, it's time to create content. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even podcasts. The goal is to provide valuable information and incorporate your affiliate links naturally. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to generate passive income, but it requires dedication, consistency, and a genuine desire to help your audience. So, start small, stay committed, and watch your efforts pay off over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.